Morning.
Morning. We've been awake since 2 a.m. My eyes are fluffy. I'm enduring a pain of toothache.
What you doing, Namara?
What you doing? Where you at? You good plan? Don't say that.
What do you call it? Yellow egg, but it's aged.
Nakakatawa lang.
Look at my. You want to climb the big tree?
Yeah, you can.
Come on, Mara, let's climb it.
1, 2, 3.
Wow. Ika mukha mo, kaya maganda yan, okay? Pag sinasabi nila kung mukha mo si Maymay, okay. Yeah. Wala ka pa ulit.
Ayan.
Can I pay you $1? No? Are you sure? Ayaw.
Ayaw. Ayaw niya ng
Sabi niya
$1.
50 eh.
Kaya ka na yung 100.
Oh, mas mayaman. Ayaw niya ng piso.
Ay, wait. Ito na lang. $2. Deal or no deal? Natapos kami sa 50 pesos.
Make a deal. Okay.
Ayaw niya ng 100.
Keso po. Okay.
Sagot mo yung tanong. Sino ang unang presidente ng Pilipinas?
I know the answer.
Kilala mo?
Emilio Aguinaldo.
O, pero, edi. Taga-Cavite. Okay.
Pilipino po ako.
Ito na lang. Anong tawag dun sa unahan sa division? Diba may ibabaw, tapos may ilalim. Anong tawag dun sa unang number? Nakpat o lipat?
Dagdagan mo na.
Diba sa division, may ibabaw na number, tapos line,
Linya.
tapos ilalim. Anong tawag dun sa ibabaw?
Ako, kuya, sumali ka na rin sa showtime. Hindi ka maniwala.
Ibibigay ko talaga.
Baka sumikat si Kuya.
Ibibigay.
Baka good luck sa'yo.
Ano ko yung tawag ko?
Ay, hindi sa akin. Sa
Tulungan
kanya.
mo ako.
Tanungan mo.
Pera ko pero sa kanya.
No sleep.
Miss na kita, baby, hindi ko na kaya. Sobrang saya ko na muli tayong magsasama. Pangako na, di ka na maghihintay. At di na, hindi ka na
Good morning, Philippines, and hello, world.
Mabuhay!
As of the moment, it's what time? 6:46 in the morning. We have been awake since 2 a.m. We've been awake since 2 a.m.
Yeah.
We're going to Salcedo Market right now. Thank you. Last year, same time, same month, I was not same time, but I was here
For a month.
for 2 months.
Okay.
I'm right here with my sister
Yeah.
from Hawaii.
Aloha.
My mom and dad. So far, so good. My teeth, it's hurting, but it's tolerable.
Tolerable pala eh.
Because I just took Advil.
Sabihin na kara.
Pero parang ano ngayon.
Punong-puno, mainit. Mahangin.
That's what I'm saying. Wala bang tutugtog?